Today we'll be going over how to set up a simple 307 redirect using the Redirection plugin for WordPress. The instructional portion of this video actually comes from a longer video that I shot that covers in depth how to use the Redirection plugin. So if you're interested in that, I'll link to it here on the screen as well as down in the description. That being said, let's jump into this. Alright, the next one we're going to go over is how to set up a 307 redirect. And a 307 redirect is a temporary redirect, so you use this when you just want to temporarily redirect people away from a page on your website or your entire website for a little while. So, let me give an example of this. Let's say that I was going to do some maintenance on my About page, and I didn't want people accessing this page while I'm working on it. I've gone ahead and I have created a maintenance page, and what I want to do is that when people try to access this About page, it will instead take them to the maintenance page. So to do that, I will come into my dashboard, come to Tools, and then come right here to Add New Redirect. Now by default, this is set to 301 redirects. So to set it to 307, click on this Settings button, and right here, it'll give us a drop-down menu and we can change it to 307. Just like the 301 redirect, we start by putting in the URL that we want to direct traffic away from. In this case, it is the About page, so I will grab the URL from that and plug it in right here on source URL. You can give it a title if you want. That'll just tell you in this list of redirects what this is for. So I will say maintenance. I spelled it correctly. I can never spell that word right. Now we need to put in the target URL, so I'll grab the URL from my maintenance page and plug it in right here on target URL. Then click Add Redirect. If I come to the About tab and click it, instead of taking me to the About page, it'll take me to this page that informs me the site is currently under maintenance. It also works for external links. So let me come to my little article here, and if I follow this link to the About page of my website, instead of taking me to the About page of my website, it will instead take me to the maintenance page. Now when you're finished doing whatever it was you're doing, it's very easy to remove this redirect. Come back to your dashboard and then back to Redirection. And all you need to do is right here, find your temporary redirect that you created, and we're just going to disable it. If you never plan on using it again, you can delete it if you want. Now, if I come to my About page, which we had redirected, you can see that it takes us back to the About page and not the maintenance page. Okay, that's how you set up a 307 redirect using the Redirection plugin. Once again, if you're interested in that longer video that goes in depth on how to use the Redirection plugin, I'll link to that down in the description. Hopefully you found this information to be helpful, and I'll see you next time.